Let's learn how we can create a professional-looking logo using Canva for absolutely free. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just someone looking to create a unique emblem for your brand, this tutorial is going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create a stunning logo in just seconds. You don't need any experience for this, and you can do this on your smartphone also using the official Canva app. I'm on my PC because it's easier to design a logo there, but if you don't have a computer or you prefer using a smartphone, simply open the Canva application. Once you open Canva on your PC or mobile device, you want to make sure you are logged into your Canva account. I'm already logged in, so now let's design our logo. We have the search bar on this home page of Canva, and let's say you want a gaming logo. Just type gaming logo, or YouTube logo, or whatever kind of logo you need. If you need a logo for your coffee shop, just type coffee shop logo in here and hit enter. I want to design a gaming logo for the purpose of this video, so I'll search for that and hit enter. You're gonna get a bunch of different templates in here that you can select and customize. You can see that we have a lot of different gaming logos that we can select and customize for our channel, brand, or whatever you need it for. Keep in mind that, if this template has a little crown icon at the bottom corner, that means that it's a template for pro users. If you don't have Canva Pro, then you can customize the logo, but it's gonna download the logo with the Canva watermark over it. But we'll select a free template. The free ones are the templates that don't have the crown icon at their bottom, which means that we can customize them and download them for absolutely free, and we won't get a watermark over our logo. When you find a logo that you would like to use, simply tap on it, and it's gonna open this preview window where you can see the logo and other similar logos at the bottom. We'll simply click on this button called Customize this template, and that's gonna open this logo in our Canva editor. We can now customize this logo, edit it, add or remove some elements and all that other stuff that you want. I suppose you know the Canva basics, so I don't have to explain to you how you can add the text, add elements, delete some stuff from your design and all that other stuff. You have this free template in here, so just customize it to your liking. I'm gonna speed up this process a little bit so you don't have to watch as I customize my logo. When you're happy with your free logo, you can easily download it and use it for your brand, channel, or other stuff. But that's essentially it. You saw that we created our gaming logo in just a few steps and a couple of minutes without paying a thing, and all that by using Canva. If you want more Canva tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we have more similar videos and how-to tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.